Hello friends, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, commonly known as IPU New Delhi, has released its admission brochure, admission notification for the academic year 25-26. And the courses you can see there is the list of courses are mentioned, including MBBS, BDS, BMS, BPT, physiotherapy, paramedical, and others, which include many courses, nursing, architecture, etc. So you can go through the brochure index. So yes, now it is mandatory to register ABC academic bank credit or APAR ID through DigiLocker, because all the details of the marking of your transcript will be noted in that ABC number, that is academic bank credit. So let's skip to the schedule. And yes, for more detail you can visit www.ipu.ac.in in the website for full detail. So here they mentioned the academic bank credit, how to register APAR ABC. For registration process and support, you can also call us on the number mentioned in YouTube description box or Physio Research Hub. Instruction for the candidate. So yes, Part A detail of program offered by GGSIB University for academic session 25-26. So further, there is a glance of program offer and applicable test, which include the both NEET UG and CET, CUET, and also NLT, that is national level test, is known as NEET UG 2025, and CET for state level. So new program likely to be offered in USS during the academic session 25-26, subject approval of the bodies, that is first one is BPT and second is 3 years LLB program. And you can see that the flowchart given below indicative flowchart of online counseling, that is for the round 1 there is a 2 type of test will be there. First one is national level test, NLT. So in this case no CET will be conducted by IPU, as admission will be done basis of national level merit list. Another will be CET conducted by IPU. For prescribed courses we'll see below. So after enrollment of the centralized procedure and choice preference, okay, at the last printing of allotment letter as per the process of CET round, and the round 2 enrollment for centralized online counseling, or the candidate can additional modification or delete the choices of preference of the college, and same print of allotment letter and submission. And round 3 same admission process, modification, deletion of the choices, declaration of the third round, that is sliding round. Okay. So reporting at the allotted institute college for verification of eligibility, payment, academic fee. Non-reporting in the allotted college during the stipulated period will lead to cancellation of allotted seat. A spot round also applicable. So let's move to our allied health science part, that is BPTH. So you can see admission through the CET, and these are the admission through NEET UG. This is NLT, national level entrance test, and this is CET, graduation program admission through. Also it includes the CET, CUET or NLT in order of priority. So admission conducted through CET, common eligibility test. So this contain the BPT, BPO, that is BASLP, speech language pathology, BSc MLT, BOT. Okay, so these are our 4.5 year course paramedical code 124, exam admission through test CET CUET. So many other allied and management program are there. Pharmacy, B.Pharm are also included. The technical course are also included. Designing program are also included in the CET and CUET. So all the admission will be done on the basis of merit of CUET and test. So you can see the BPT eligibility criteria: 12 pass, 10 plus 2 of CBSE equivalent with minimum aggregate of 50% marks in physics, PCB 50%, and should be passed separately in each subject. So domain specific subject optional language general test under CUET 2025. Section 2 physics, chemistry, biology, biological studies, biotechnology or biochemistry, that is code 304, 306 and 322. Similarly, BOT, BPO, MLT, BSLP are mentioned. Okay, so there is a list of course mentioned. Also eligibility for admission, you can go for ACMS for army category for MBBS program. Diploma program are also there. So there is general guidelines for common entrance test available on our website www.ipu.ac.in. So how to fill the form? There is a given step below. For tentative center for CET, you can see Delhi, Chandigarh, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Jaipur, Lucknow, Mumbai, Delhi, Faridabad, Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram are mentioned. Okay, and the scheme of test paper, except for NLT, the CET will contain the 100 MCQ with 4 alternative option. Okay, each multiple choice questions are carry 4 marks. Negative marking for incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted. Okay, for incorrect answer. Written test will be there of 2.5 hours and will carry 400 marks. The medium of test will be English only except for BED. That shall be English and Hindi. Okay, those who are unable to appear in the test on schedule due to any reason, retest will not be held in university under any circumstances, or no refund of fee is permissible. And the same way the national level test also mentioned there. Guidelines for reporting time will be given in admit card as well. Sample of answer sheet. Few details regarding formation and application of IPU admission application. Details regarding need-based admission. For more detail, you can call on our number, that is 9564736713. Annexure and some forms as per criteria applicable, and there it is given. So for more information, you can contact the mentioned details which provided in YouTube description box. Thank you.